Hello students, how are you? So I hope you have studied about the BODMAS rule which I had shown you, explained you in the last video. So this exercise 2.3 is based on that BODMAS rule. Okay, so we'll start with question number 1. So let's see 80 minus 24. This is what bracket? This is the third bracket, the big bracket inside 24 minus then what second bracket started, did curly bracket started 16 divided by then small bracket started 9 minus 1, so small bracket closed, curly bracket closed and third bracket closed. So let's see how to solve it. So students, can you see here? So 80, so here what will solve? First of all, I told you according to the BODMAS rule we'll solve the bracket first of all. So but which bracket? There are three brackets are given, so we'll solve first of all the small bracket. Okay, this inside small bracket. So inside this small bracket, what is it given? 9 minus 1. So we'll solve this minus. So 80 minus 24 minus 16 divided by 9 minus 1, it is 8. So this bracket is gone now, this curly bracket. Then 80 minus 24 minus, now we'll solve this bracket, 16 divided by 8. So 16 divided by 8 is what? 2. So this bracket also gone. Now this third bracket remaining, 80 minus 24 minus 2. It is 22, right? Now 80 minus 22. So this is 10 minus 2, 8. Here 7 minus 2, 5. So answer is 58. So in this way, step by step, you have to solve the brackets. Okay, now students, let's solve question number 2. Okay, so in question number 2, here also you can see the brackets are given, all the three brackets are there. So first of all, we'll start solve this small bracket. So 20 minus 18 will first solve it. Always remember, always first solve the small bracket. Okay, so let's start. 96 divide 3 into 6 minus 20 minus 18. It is what? 2. Okay, now this small bracket gone, give the curly bracket like this. Now 96 divide, now you can see we have to solve this curly bracket. So here 3 you have to write, and see, always remember after 3 there is no sign. That means if there is no sign after any number, that means you will treat as into, you will treat as multiplication. You will see this is multiplication. So 6 minus 2 is what? 4, and here, so here give multiplication 4. Okay, bracket 96 divide 3 4 is 12. Okay, so 96 divided by 12 is 8. So this is the answer. So in this way you have to solve. Always remember after any number, if there is no sign, you will consider as multiplication. Understood? So now let's see question number 3 and question number 4 is your homework. Now let's see question number 5. So here in question number 5 you can see 78 minus 5 plus 30 off. Now here you can see off is given, and here inside it, inside this small bracket, it is given 25 minus 2 into 10. So we'll solve this inside bracket first of all. So in inside bracket, two operations are there, minus and multiplication. So which operation will perform first according to the BODMAS rule? Will perform the multiplication, because m come first in the BODMAS rule. Okay, then s means subtraction. So let's do it. 78 minus 5 plus 3 off. So here you'll give the bracket 25 minus 2 into 10. So you'll multiply 2 into 10 first of all. 25 minus 2 into 10 is 20. Give the bracket again. Now close the bracket. 78 minus 5 plus 3 of 25 minus 2. You'll solve this small bracket again. 25 minus 20 is what? 5. So here write 5. Then small bracket gone. Now 78 minus. So here you can see now in this, inside this third bracket, two operations are there, plus and off. So which operation will perform first? Off operation. You know this. So 5 plus 3 of 5. 3 of 5 means multiplication. 3 into 5. It is 15. Now bracket close. 78 minus 5 plus 15 is 20. Right? So now 17 minus 20 is 58. So this is the answer of this question. Understood? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is your homework. So I will do question number 7. Okay students, see question number 7. Here 19 into 96 plus 30 minus 11 plus 5 minus 2. So here you can see you have to solve the, first of all, this small bracket you have to solve. So inside this small bracket there are two operations, plus and minus. So according to the rule, which will perform first? Bodmas rule says that plus will be performed first, but here will not perform the addition first of all, because there is a bar on the top of this 5 minus 2. That means first of all you have to solve this bar. Okay, that's why it is given bar. So I have told you already, whenever there is a bar you have to solve the bar part. Okay, so we will solve first of all 5 minus 2, then we'll solve the plus. Okay, so 19 into 96 plus 30 minus, give the bracket, 11 plus, so 5 minus 2 is 3. Now give close bracket, then close bracket. 19 into 96 plus 30 minus, now you have to solve this plus, 11 plus 3 is 13. Okay, now close it. 19 into, now you see there are two operations here, plus and minus. So which will perform first? Plus will perform first. So 96 plus 30. Okay, so here 6 and 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, minus 13. Okay, so here by mistake I have written 13, so it is 14. Okay, so 96 plus 30 is 126. 126 minus 14, it will be what? 112. So you'll write here 19 into 112. So when you multiply 19 into 112, you will get 2128. So this is the answer of this question. So first of all you will perform the bar. Okay, now question number 8 is your homework. I'll do question number 9 here. Okay, so students, in question number 9 we'll solve first of all this small bracket, 17 minus 2. Okay, so let's write it. So here you can see we will solve 17 minus 2, it is 15, right? Now here see what you will perform. Here is plus, here minus, here multiplication, here off, here divide. So which has more power, which will solve first of all according to the Bodmas rule? You will solve this off first of all. So 1 by 2 of 10, that means you will solve this part first of all, after that division. Okay, so 24 plus 13 minus 5 into, so 1 by 2 of 10, that means 10, 1 by 2 here into will give 10, minus 45 divided by 15. So here you will solve this one, so 2 5 ja 10. Okay, now 24 plus 13 minus 5 into, here 5 is there, so write here 5, minus 45 divided by 15. So here which operation will you perform now? First of all plus, minus, then into, then minus, and then divide. So you will perform the divide first of all. 24 plus 13 minus 5 into 5 minus 45 divided by 15 is what? 3. Okay, now we will perform what? Multiplication here. So 24 plus 13 minus 5 5 is 25 minus 3. Now what? Now addition, these two addition. So 24 plus 13 is what? 7, then 37 minus, so minus 25 minus 3, that means they will add each other. If they are of same sign, they will add each other. 25 plus 3 is 28. So 37 minus 28 is 9. So this is the answer. Understood? Now question number 10 is your homework. Now I'll solve question number 11. Okay, so here students, in question number 11 what you will solve first of all? So here bracket is given, that means we'll solve the bracket first of all. 9 plus 12. Okay, here 9 plus 12 is 21. Okay, now we'll see which operation will perform. Here you can see two divides are there, two division, here also division and here also division, and here off. but of has more power. That means we'll solve of first of all. According to the BODMAS rule, first bracket comes, then of, then divide. So we'll solve this of first of all. So 21 divide 7 plus 36 divide 2 of 3. That means 2 into 3. It is 6. 2 3 is 6. Now we'll perform the division. So here two divisions are there. Here also divide and here also divide. So we'll perform in the same line and perform the two division. 21 divided by 7 is what? 3 plus 36 divided by 6. It is 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So this is the answer of this question. So easy. Now the last question number 12 I will solve. Okay. So students, in this question number 12, here we'll solve what? First of all, see here, third bracket, the second bracket, then small bracket given. Okay, but here bar is there, so that means we'll perform this bar operation first of all. Okay, so it is what? Minus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So bar gone. Now this curly bracket, then close the big bracket. Then 16 plus 7 plus, now we'll solve this small bracket. So 3 plus 7 is what? 10. Right here 10 minus 2. This is this curly bracket. Now 16 plus, now solve this bracket, curly bracket, 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Right? Now 16 plus 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 16 plus 15 is 31. So this is our final answer. Understood? So students, so in this way exercise 2.3 is complete. I have solved many questions here. So what are the remaining questions? That are all homework. Understood? So in this way, in this chapter also complete. This chapter number 2 is also complete. So these are the points to remember, important points of BODMAS rule. So you will read and remember it, so, and solve all the homeworks. Okay, thank you.